Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a lovely blueberry overnight oats. It's super tasty, quick to prep, plus incredibly convenient for hectic mornings. So let's get cooking. In a glass bowl, we'll add old-fashioned rolled oats, then our preferred flavored yogurt. I'm using my husband's blueberry. Followed by chia seeds, which is a superfood, and some regular milk, but you can substitute it with almond milk. We'll give a good stir, making sure all the ingredients are nicely blended. Now we know the drill of tasting and adjusting if needed. When it comes to commercial flavored yogurts, they add a lot of sweeteners to them and also sodium. Maybe not a lot, but still. So before adding anything else, let's taste it first. For me, I'm adding a tiny little pinch of sea salt. Once again, from one brand to another, and also the country, as Canadian and American ingredient amounts can be different, taste it before. Well, now cover the bowl and transfer to the fridge overnight. The next morning, here's our gorgeous mixture. The oats nicely absorb the moisture from the yogurt and milk, while the chia also contributed to making it thicker. So now, there's a couple ways to go. Either we stir well and then add a few blueberries to it before eating our oats as is, or warm it up. In that case, after stirring it, we'll place it in the microwave on high. We'll cook for 30-second intervals, mixing it each time until warm through. It should be relatively quick, maybe 1.5 minutes, depending on the power of your appliance. From here, we can add more milk and top it with fresh blueberries, nuts, etc. And my friends, this is our Blueberry Overnight Oats. Conveniently delicious, this super easy recipe is perfect for your busy mornings. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!